This is Gary Geiman with the Dominate the Day podcast. The purpose of this podcast is to help you get 1% better in your business, provide clarity, and give you some ideas that will help you grow your business. If you're ready to dominate the day, let's go.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.
Dominate Nation, it's that time again. It's time to dominate the day. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We've been talking about struggles of small business owners, and we're working through these struggles, helping you develop strategies and opportunities to overcome the struggle. We've talked about getting customers. Let's talk about taking care of those customers. What does that look like? Serving customers. I had a conversation earlier today, actually. We're talking about nothing really is being created that's brand new. We're doing the same things. Companies are doing the same things in a different way or a better way. And we have to understand what our currency is, why a customer wants to buy from us. And I believe the two biggest pieces of currency a business has is speed and ease of use. And in fact, I believe speed is more important than ease of use. Speed is more important than price because people care more about how quickly they can get something versus anything else. That's the reason why Amazon is so good. They crush speed and ease of use. Don't believe me? Buy something from them, see how long it takes to get it to you. And then if you don't like it, see their return policy. It's the easiest in the game. It's the easiest in the game. We have a retail store here in our area, Dillard's. I'm not sure it has more of a regional footprint. It might have more of a national footprint, but it's on the vein of Macy's. It's a Macy's. It's a boutique Macy's basically. And when you buy something at Dillard's, you own that shit for life because they ain't taking it back. Nothing. They don't take anything back. So what my wife does is when she's there and she sees something she likes, she takes a picture of it, finds it on Amazon, buys it from Amazon. Because Dillard's will not return shit. And here's the thing. Everything that Dillard's sells, you can find on Amazon. Sometimes it's stuff cheaper on Dillard's at Dillard's in the store. Yes. But because of the way they handle customer service, she chooses to pay a little bit more. Because if she buys it from Amazon, she don't like it, she can return it. Boom. So what is the lesson to learn here, people? Understand what your currency is. Understand why customers choose you over your competitors, and then run with that as hard as you possibly can. I guarantee you speed and ease of use are two of the reasons why people are going to use you. It's not quality service because that's a bullshit jargon. Like everybody, quality service. It's not because you're a professional, highly trained, blah, 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 blah. That's everybody. Quit thinking those are the reasons why customers use you. Why will a customer use you? We used to get responses all the time why they used us with our exterior cleaning, Christmas light business. Is because a couple of things. One, we got quotes back to them before some people even returned their call requesting information. We'd have full quotes. We were following up on those quotes before some companies got them quotes. Speed, baby, speed. And we got customers scheduled based upon their timing, not based upon mine. Now, we were booked out 2 weeks at a time, most of the time with 4 trucks, but we always had availability to squeeze someone in, especially if they were paying more than somebody already on the schedule. Speed and ease of use. Figure out why your customers use you, run with that, dominate the day.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.